Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some modern, sexy hairstyle ideas. Ooh, beautiful ash blonde. So she got some hair extensions. This definitely elevated her look, the extensions as well as the color. Absolutely beautiful transformation. So here we have a color transformation. So it looks like she got a touch up with this reddish coppering. Beautiful layers here as well. And here we have a really cute layered haircut. She's got the bangs going there in the front. I love the way that the layers frame out her face. Then we got a curly hairstyle. So if you guys do want to see more curly hairstyles, let me know. This one features a shaggy cut with a pop of pink going there in the bangs. Super cute, fun hairstyle idea. And then we see someone with this beautiful ginger hair color. Color is pure perfection. So it looks like we have some bangs and layers for the next cut. Stylist is doing some baby bangs here. Very cute style, and I feel like overall this is very 90s inspired. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. She's got some grown out color here. Ooh, whoa. Oh my goodness, she went ash blonde with some extensions, makeup, everything, top notch makeover. And here we have someone rocking out the copper colored hairstyle as well. Stylist does a nice shoulder length cut, mid-length cuts. Slight wave to the strands. I think the color definitely adds a bit of spice overall to this hairstyle. Stylist is doing some curtain bangs and layers here. Ooh. Curtain bangs mixed with fringe bangs going there in the front. Very cute. So here we have a color transformation. Wow. Oh, the hair looks like beautiful artwork. It looks like watercoloring. And then we have another color transformation here. It looks like she's also doing like a multicolor. Oh, she did a fun pop in the back with that. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. Very fun. So we have someone getting some color for the next one. She's got the dark roots here. And it looks like she went chocolate brown with a mid-length cut. So pretty. And chocolate brown is definitely a popular hair color trend to try right now. I love the stylist hair. So there is that pop of pink in the bangs once again. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these beautiful hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.